Next in setup phase is on-call handyman and locksmith. You do not have to sign an elaborate contract with these guys, but the idea is to bring them to the property and show them around so they are familiar with the property. And if you are in the middle of a situation, they do not have to understand, they do not have to ask you questions. For example, people like locksmith, before they do anything, they need to know your association with the property. And that is the whole idea of bringing them now. They can ask all the questions about you, about the property, and get familiar with the property. And when there is a situation, you can just phone them and they can just simply crack on with the job. It is also a good idea to display their phone number in the property so the guest can phone them if they are not able to reach you. So they can simply reach out to your handyman and locksmith if there is any problem. But yes, try and get these two guys under your wings at this point. It is very important. You do not really want to go through all those vetting processes and verification steps when you have a situation to deal with.